This is the mixed mix for moi moi.
So guys, let's make moi moi. One thing you should bear in mind when making your moi moi or akara, the more oil you incorporate inside the mixture, the better the texture, the quality of the moi moi will be. So add our oil. Be generous with your oil. Whether you're using red oil, yeah, whichever oil you are using, just be generous with it as much as you can. And so I add some salt, some seasoning powder. Already, while blending the mama, we've already added crayfish, onions, pepper, cayenne pepper, our local tatashe or bell pepper, whichever one is at your location. So for me, I prefer leaf mama. Which one do you prefer? Um, leaf mama, it gives it one. It gives it, I don't know, but there's a particular taste that comes from the leaf. And when you even come to think of it, it's healthier to go with leaf, because going with aluminium, the people that know better, they've told us that some contents of the chemical usually fall off from heat, and get into what we are cooking. So it's better to go with your leaf that you know what you're eating. Okay, so you've seen my mama is already on fire. So we're going to cook it 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the heat. If you are maybe cooking it with high pressure gas, you could go for 30 minutes. But this one, you have to leave it for 45 minutes to ensure it cooks properly. So let's go. Remember that when you want to fry akara or you want to make moi moi, the fluffier the better. And one way to make it fluffy is to either use your mixer to whisk it with the whisk attachment so as to incorporate as much air as possible in the akara. So this is the whisk attachment. And while it's whisking, we add our salt. For me, this is something that is very sweet. So you don't want to start adding seasoning and all that. If you prefer ginger in your akara, you can add. But salt just does it for me. So 2 minutes is okay. So we flip it so that the other side. So the akara is like this because of the amount of air that has been incorporated inside. Very light. Wow, this one is looking like pancake. It's my akara. Yes, you get. Okay, so one secret to having your fried yam very sweet, nice, and it just gives you a whole different vibe, especially if you're cooking yam when yam has not been sweetened, like when yam is not very dry. I'll use sugar and then I'll pre-cook the yam before frying it. So you cover it, allow it to cook properly. Let it cook properly, then you fry it. Okay, so we drain the yam. So we are going to get our potato boiling too. Okay, so our sweet potato, like if you eat this sweet potato boiled and fried, you will never just boil your sweet potato and eat it like that. You want it boiled before frying it. I can tell you for free. Okay, so let's fry our sweet potato. So it will not foam. Okay, so we fry our yam. So there goes our plantain to complement the yam and the sweet potato. So our plantain is ready. The golden brown, to the gold, to the dim, to the brown, to the to the to the to the to the to the. A plantain lover like me, you will know you know what's up. So guys, you can believe me that when we say that this is a classic like favorite Nigerian breakfast, because whatever breakfast Akara is there, fried potato, fried yam, fried plantain, the sauce, and the egg moi moi, is something that every Nigerian family can truly relate with. Try it at home. Tell me the results you got. See you in my next video.